In today's video, I am going to teach you how to grow your email list with systemd.io. If you already have a funnel in place and you want to make sure that anyone who subscribes through your form is automatically added to the right email campaign, the automation rules feature in systemd.io is the key. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact sequence to set up that connection, step by step, in a way that is easy to follow while you are logged into your account. First, log into your systemd.io account. Take a moment to make sure you are logged into the correct workspace, because the funnel and automation settings you are about to edit will be tied to the account you are currently viewing. Once you are logged in, you should see your main dashboard or the main navigation area where you can access funnels and other tools. Next, navigate to Funnels. This is where systemd.io organizes the pages, funnels, and related marketing assets you may already be using. When you click Funnels, you should be taken to a section that lists your existing funnels. If you have multiple funnels, do not worry. You will be selecting the specific one you want to update. Now select the funnel to edit. Choose the funnel that contains the form you want to use for growing your email list. The most important detail here is that the funnel you select is the one where your subscribers will come from, meaning the form that collects email addresses. After you have opened the funnel, click the Automation Rules tab. This tab is where systemd.io lets you define what should happen when certain events occur, such as when someone subscribes to a form. By setting up the automation rule, you are essentially telling systemd.io to automatically move the subscriber into your email workflow without you having to do it manually. Then click Add Rule. This action starts the process of creating a new automation rule. At this point, you should see options for selecting both the trigger and the action. The trigger is the event that happens, and the action is what systemd.io should do in response. Next, select Form Subscribed. This choice sets the trigger to the moment when someone submits your form and becomes a new subscriber. Make sure you select the Form Subscribed option because it specifically matches the event related to email capture. This is how you link your form activity to your email campaign setup. Once the trigger is selected, click Add Action. The action is where you define where the subscriber should go next. This is the part that ensures the contact is not just recorded, but actively enrolled into your email marketing sequence. Now, select Subscribe to a campaign. This tells systemd.io that the subscriber should be added to an email campaign. Campaigns are where your email series lives, so choosing this action is what connects your form subscribers to the actual email content you want them to receive. After selecting Subscribe to a campaign, choose your email campaign. Here you should look for the campaign you want new subscribers to join. Take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct campaign, since the automation will automatically place subscribers into that specific sequence from that point onward. Finally, click Save Rule. Saving is the step that makes the automation active and ensures your configuration is stored. Once you save, the rule should appear as part of your automation rules list, confirming that the connection between the form submission and the campaign subscription is ready. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.